Controversial journalist Kemi Olunloyo has come out to drag the Adelekes again, following the death of Ifeanyi, the son of famous musician David Adeleke, aka Davido. It is no news that Kemi Olunloyo never has anything good to say about the Adeleke family because, according to her justifiable reasons, one of which is that Davido is the originator of all the insulting names like Riri, Mad Woman, Drug Addict, etc. that she has been called on social media over the years. The 58-year-old outspoken blogger further said, according to her, she babysat Davido when he was a kid, and the insult he rained on her can't be overlooked. Kemi noted that Ifeanyi's remains should be buried in the sea to appease the goddess of water, Yemoja. She ended by stating that she sees more tragedy. Remember, Ifeanyi Adeleke died on the 31st of October after he drowned in his father's swimming pool in his Banana Island mansion in Lagos. In her latest post on social media, she announced that Davido would never rise again because he had fallen prey to the Adeleke curse. The journalist pointed out that Davido is only reaping the curse his grandmother laid on Igbo women coming into the family. She wrote, do you agree with her?